to a brand new day. Join us here, there's so much to say. Chatting about the highs and lows, every simple thing that life bestows. So grab a cup and settle in, it's time to let the day begin. Morning light, we're shining bright, life's a journey, let's hold it tight. From laughter to the little things, every moment is what tomorrow brings.
I'm Natasha,
And I'm Kai.
and we've got a surprise for you.
So follow, like, and share Sinag Digital Media on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube.
Because anything is possible under the sun. Because anything is possible under the sun, we get to initiate two presidents of very prestigious organizations, and I'm very excited to welcome Hale and AD. How long kayo presidents of your organization po? AD, you go first. Ladies first.
Ladies first. So I'm AD Lori Urbano from Scouts Royal Brotherhood Qatar Alumni Association, also known as SRB QAA. So bago lang akong presidente, like nito lang February. So ang term
Congratulations!
ko po, thank you. So ang term ko po is from 2025 to 2027.
Nice.
Sir.
And I'm Hil Dokot, current president of Alpha Phi Omega Qatar Alumni Association from 2025 to 2026.
Yes, ang tanong is, ready na ba kayo ma-initiate dito sa Sinag, under the sun?
Kinakabahan ka ba sa word na initiation?
Medyo pinagpapawisan si Sir.
From the initiation, hindi.
Hindi. Oh,
Pero
okay.
dito sa camera, shy type.
Oh, don't worry. Larong-laro na tayo. At larong-laro na ako kasi madali lang yung initiation namin. Hindi katulad ng initiation ninyo. So,
Gusto namin ready kayo lagi.
yes. Oh, okay. So here we go. We're gonna be playing... yan na.
Ta-da!
Jenga. Okay, so the thing about Jenga, it's a very deceptive kind of game. On the one hand, it seems like we are working together because we don't want the tower to fall. But at the same time, you don't want to be the person who makes the tower fall. You want it to be the person next to you or basta after you. So what we basically try to do is...
Dapat step by the step para sumakses. Ganon.
Yeah. Step by the step tayo. Ngayon, we're gonna play it easy, beginner's level lang. Kasi I think it's your first time to play.
Yeah.
Tama ba?
Is it?
Yeah,
Really?
first
Hindi nyo to
time.
Ano nangyari
napiplay?
sa childhood ninyo?
Teka lang, hindi, tatanong ko, hindi nyo to piniplay pag nagiinuman ng juice? Ay, yeah. Okay, so this is really fun. So basically what we're gonna do is, all you have to do is try to remove a block from the tower. So you'll just press it out, something like that, and you can only use one hand at a time, and you try to get it out without having the tower fall. Like that, something like that. Now, the thing is, just a couple of rules. You can't take the one syempre on top. Kasi
First three.
The first three,
Hindi
you
pwedeng
have to take
tanggalan.
somewhere in the bottom, and then when you take out the block, you put it on top. Okay, ready?
Okay, wait lang.
I'll
Dapat
go
magpaunahan muna tayo. Kung ano yung highest number na makuha nyo muna, siya yung una.
Sige.
Sige,
Paano
try,
ba?
try.
Paano
Okay,
highest number?
ako
Okay.
muna. Kunyari ako. Kukunin ko tong number 25 kasi gumalaw na. Okay, yan.
Okay.
25 yung nakuha ko, ha?
Oo.
Ito yung first hand tayo. First hand muna, first hand. Okay. Sir, ikaw, try mo din magkuha.
So practice round tayo.
Practice
Teka lang,
round.
kailangan mo ilagay yung
Palagay ko na.
top.
Practice
Yan.
round na.
Ito na yun. This is the real
Pwede
thing.
ba
O sige, yun na
Ito na
yung
yun.
game.
Game na.
Kasi
Spoof
diba?
lang pala, spoof.
Spoof.
Oo.
Kaya mo yan. Actually, the thing about Jenga talaga is you need a good foundation.
Aha.
And sa mga organizations din, di ba, kailangan din ng magandang
Sir,
foundation.
gumagalaw.
Ayan na.
Kinakabahan ako sa
So,
iyo.
ano yung mga bagay na masasabi nyo, lalo na dito sa Qatar, can establish a good foundation sa mga relationships nyo with the community as leaders? Ano yung mga
Try mo din
kailangan
dito sa gilid, sir. Oh, ayan.
establish? Lalo-lalo na you're a new leader. What you think are the things needed to establish that relationship with your organization? here in Qatar? Ayun, galing.
Sa akin kasi, to be honest, first female na president ako ng SRBQAA. So,
That's
medyo
amazing! Breakthrough,
so,
okay.
so, kumbaga meron siyang pressure in terms of it. But, sa foundation, kailangan, para sa akin, ang nakikita ko, yung unity and equality among members.
Edi, may tanong ako. So, ikaw pa lang ba or how many female leaders are there sa mga amongst the brotherhood, yung other organizations? Ilan kayong babae?
Hindi ako sure pero kasi sa amin sa SRB kasi, ako yung first na female president.
O dahil ikaw ang first female president,
Ikaw
it's
na
your
next.
turn.
It's your turn.
As leaders, ano yung usual trigger nyo kapag may mga internal conflict? Paano nyo inaayos? Kunyari, kasi syempre sa mga organizations, may mga internal conflicts, ganyan.
Basically, yes.
Oo. At saka ano yung una dyan, ano yung mga nakakapag-trigger ng conflict? Ganyan, usapan tayo.
Okay.
O sige, may mga recent ba?
Okay.
Okay.
Siyempre naman, okay. One example na lang, yung daliri natin hindi pantay-pantay.
Okay.
So
Naging
basically,
trigger
magkakaiba tayo ng
Okay.
pananaw.
Okay,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
tama. Galing, okay.
So although we can say na yung, let's say, brotherhood namin as a NAPO is a perfect circle. But not necessarily na yung members is totally perfect. Basically, napakahirap mangyari. So yun, do you think na, let's say, hindi may iwasan yun.
Oh, talaga, it's true. Hindi talaga perfect ang mga tao. Pero yun na nga, paano yun?
Once for all, basically, first move namin, dinadaan na namin sa mabuting usapan.
Mabuti o maboteng?
Mabuting usapan.
Mabuti. At dahil dyan, kumuha ka ng isang block. Oh, so, mabuting usapan. Tama naman talaga.
So, sa mga, kung mabuting usapan yan, or maboteng usapan, or ano yung mga ginagawa nyo pang activities within the group kapag, kunyari, nag-chill lang kayo, tapos na yung mabuting usapan, ganyan.
Nandun pa ba tayo sa may mga something grievance?
Kunyari, naayos
let's
yun na
say,
yung conflict.
Ano something?
something na may grievance, kailangan ng grievance. So basically, yes, pag hindi na dahil sa mabuting usapan, we have the set of officers.
Okay.
That's the time na papasok na yung grievance committee. And basically, so far as of now, naayos naman namin sa mabuting usapan.
Okay, tama yan.
And
Yun lang kasi dito sa Jenga, it's the opposite naman. Usually people when they play, they don't talk. So do you find that nagkakaroon na maraming instances in the organization wherein people are not able to communicate with each other? But how do you overcome that? Pag may mga taong ayok mapag-usap, mga ganon. Paano mo silang ina-encourage makipag-usap? Ikaw, AD, how do you usually do it?
Kasi same scenario din naman yan sa labas. Like for example, pagka mainit pa masyado, wag mo muna siyang hahawakan eh. Like, palamagin mo muna siya. And then later on, pag nag-mellow down na ang lahat, tsaka natin itry na ma-reconcile sila on both parties kung merong miscommunication or misunderstanding. Ganun. Kasi pagka yung sobrang init pa, tapos pagtatry niyo pag-usapin, most of the time, based on my experience, hindi kasi siya nag-work eh.
Oo, kailangan kalma muna.
Yeah.
Bago sila,
Do you find it's harder to lead groups of men? Or I mean, what do you think? Like, are groups of men harder? Or do you think it's like women are easier to manage?
Or dahil babae ka, sumusunod sila sa'yo kagad.
Kasi you have brothers, of course, in the organization as you're the president. Do you find who's easier to lead? The brothers or the sisters?
Hindi ko masasagot yun kasi for us, we do respect each other na it doesn't matter kung anong gender mo or kung babae ka or lalaki, no. It's like kung sinong nakaupo, kung sinong president, we always pay respect.
Oh, that's nice.
really good to know.
Okay, ikaw, respeto mo
sino.
ba ako?
Oo naman. Talaga, halaki na. Taas-taas.
Ay, yes. I love you too. Kasi tayo lang yung magkasama eh.
Okay.
And to think kasi na parang ako yung nasa medyo younger generation din ng SRBQAA. And most are mas matanda talaga sa akin. So, like,
Challenging yun. Kasi ikaw yung
yes. So, paano ko sila mapapasunod? Which is like na parang father figure na or mother figure na, di ba? So, mas nakaka-challenge
So what
siya.
do you do?
In a nice way, because like tulad kang sabi ko sa inyo na kung ikaw yung president, they acknowledge you as their president. Na kaya siya na yung age ko ay almost half ng mga age nila, ganun.
Oo.
As respect.
Medyo stressful. So, to the stress, like, may mga activities ba kayo din within the organization na ginagawa? Ano yung mga katuwaan ninyo na activities? Like, may mga outings ba? Or karaoke nights, mga ganun? Kasi talagang curious ako, hindi pa ako naging part ng
Yes,
organization.
actually, parang
na katulad
basically,
na
what
sa
we want to
kanila.
know, what is the life like being part of organization here? I mean, carrying your fraternity, carrying your organization, because you're part of the Brotherhood organization, right? And now you're OFW. So it's a different landscape from the Philippines here in Qatar. So how is the bonding? What's the bonding like? What do you guys do to bond in the fraternity, in the
let's say,
organization?
Okay, as an Apo, Alpha Phi Omega is guided by our three cardinal principles, which is leadership, friendship, and service. So that's what we have. So isang siglo na po ang Apo.
Oo, isa yan sa mga
Within-
pinakasikat na
Not necessarily.
brotherhoods.
Oy, paano ba?
Hindi namin kiniklaim, hindi namin kiniklaim.
Okay,
kaya
of course,
ino-
of course.
Hindi namin pagsasabi.
So, isang siglo na pa nga po, nandun kami. Hindi katulad siguro, let's say, na masasabi natin na sinasabi yung ano, once na you are in the Greek letter, is Pratman ka.
Okay.
More on the trouble, gang, or whatsoever they call this one. Nandun yung platwal. Kung may mga rival kami, let's say, nandito kami. Into service.
Into
How to be a
service.
leader.
So yung mga libangan nyo, mga acts of
Sir,
service
oo.
in the community.
Actually, yes.
Okay. Like
May
anything
recent ba?
upcoming, yeah?
Okay. So far for the first quarter ko, as of now, as president, nakapag-create ako ng more than 15 to 20 services from
Wow.
January to March.
Lalo nitong Ramadan, meron ba kayo? Kasi alam ko talaga, during Ramadan, may mga outreach programs, may mga ganong
Actually,
activities.
yes. Recently namin na project, which is yung iftar drive namin, which is one part of this one.
Kasama-
Kakolab namin.
collab ka kayo.
Kakolab namin yung
Kamusta naman
SRB.
kakolab si AD?
Actually, SRB, siguro ko, magbigay lang kami ng short hint sa inyo, is SRB is an Apo. Actually, Apo is from 1950, which is 75 years na in the Philippines.
Yes.
SRB is organized, founded 1975 by our brother. So, we call,
Okay.
sinasabi namin na, before that time, sinasabi namin na yung SRB is youth arm ng Apo.
Okay.
So, magpunta tayo doon sa gano'n. Dahil 75 years na, 70 years, and we can also see that your organizations will go to another generation. Would you encourage your kids to be part of the organizations or to be initiated into the organizations you're in?
Knowing what you know, what you've experienced.
And knowing what is in it to be
Yeah.
part of this team.
And if I'm
Or-
not
or-
mistaken,
or an
Hill, you are
organization.
a father, right? Oh, so you have a son?
Yeah. Okay. Personal point of view, basically, is 100%.
100%. Okay.
Now, yung first son ko, which
But
is the
bakit
eldest.
quote-unquote totoo talaga yan?
Hindi kasi in-initiate ko yan. Siya na daw yung nag-initiate.
100% i-encourage ko siya to join our organization.
Okay.
But and then, we all na yung lahat ng generation ngayon, yung Gen Z generation ngayon, is parang napaka-sensitive na.
Oo nga, baka
So,
mamaya.
but then, hinahayaan ko siyang mag-decide. Before that, let's say, siyempre dati, nauutusan tayo ng nanay natin, ito ang kunin mong course.
Hoy, oo, maraming
Which is hindi-
matatamaan dyan.
Wait lang, mami. Sorry, hindi po ako nag-accounting.
Yeah. Pero then, nowadays, sabi ko, gusto ko ito yung pangarap ko para sa anak ko. Pero, but in the end, hinayaan ko yung decision.
Okay. So, siya na lang pipili, if ever.
Yes.
Pero ikaw, AD, if you have, let's say, your best friend wants to date somebody who is part of a fraternity or here in the organization, what's your advice for them? Like, knowing what you know as a leader and the kind of people around you, would you say, yes, go, let's date? date mo siya, gano'n.
I-date mo siya.
Pwede pag-isipan muna.
Oh, sige, sige. Ano, sige, ito na lang.
It depends
Would you-
kasi. To be honest, it depends kasi kung para sa akin, kung personal ano niya, kilalanin muna niya yung tao. It doesn't matter na fratman ka or member ka ng fraternity, kasi lahat naman ng tao may mga positive, negative sides, right? So, better, kilalanin muna niya and then sasabihin ko sa kanya kung
Kung tama yung pagkakakilala niya.
At saka depende, kung part ba yung tao na yon ng organization namin, sasabihan ko siya kung in by ano
your
talaga.
turn, sir.
Okay.
So, oo.
Oh, wait lang. Dahil medyo mataas na siya, kapag natumba, dapat mag-chicken dance. So, dapat may dare.
Ganon.
Dapat may
Teka
dare sa
lang,
nakatumba.
wag mo na.
Oh, surprise!
Surprise!
Pwede yung daling-daling na lang.
Okay, game.
And you know, at the same time, magaling sinabi mo. So, syempre it's up to them.
Sa
But what do you
pang-fourth.
think? Ayan na siya! Mag-chicken. Very good.
Truth or dare, sir?
Truth or
Truth or dare?
Truth or dare? Pili po kayo.
Hindi ako ready doon.
Ready dapat lagi. Initiation.
Initiation, di ba?
Tama ko yan.
Truth na lang.
True.
Okay, true. Sige.
Sa Pilipinas ka po ba na-initiate into the organization?
Yes.
Okay. Ano ang mas madaling pakisamahan na grupo? Yung Apo in the Philippines o
Or-
Apo in Qatar?
Actually, both. Actually,
Celebrity.
Actually, both. Kasi when we initiate, basically, Apo kasi is a collegiate fraternity. So, hindi ka pwedeng maging Apo dito or whatever. You are into college, which is collegiate. So, from then, pagdating mo dito, we can consider as alumni member. So, parehas lang. As a brotherhood, parehas lang. Magkapatid.
Okay, okay. So, ang ganda ng showbiz answer niya. Oh, kasi hindi mo pinili yung dare. Ano,
Dare natin si
sayang, dare
Edie.
ka lang siya. Dahil si Edie ang dare, pero kayo kasama lahat sa dare. So, ito yung gagawin na. Kasi I actually teach yoga as well. So, magkakaroon tayo ng moment na hihinga tayo ng malalim na malalim. Tapos mag-exhale tayo ng 1, 2, 3, 4. Yung pinakamahabang makakapag-exhale ang panalo, okay? So, kayong dalawa. Kasama ka, Kai. Kasama ka. So,
Kami silang dalawa, tapos kasama ako.
wow, ganyan. So, ready?
Ready,
Okay. I'm just gonna lead it. I'm not gonna be part of it. So, inhale. Deep inhale. Exhale. 1, 2. Exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Panalo si Amy.
Ayun.
Very good, very
Siyempre,
good.
babae lang. Kahit saan naman, laging panalo babae.
Parang sarap sumali sa Apo. Pwede pa ba tayo sumali dyan?
May initiation nga. Na iba naman si initiation natin ngayon.
May-initiate na tayo. Kasama na tayo. Kasama na po kami. Yes.
Kung pwede nga lang.
May curious po ako sa mga fraternities or sa mga organizations. May mga how do you spot each other na kunyari hindi nyo pa kilala or ano yung mga marks or like palatandaan na you're within the same organization?
Ang gandang tanong. Okay? Sa amin kasi, actually, hindi ko masabi kung paano. Kasi once na, let's say, unang salta ko dito sa Qatar from 2009, which is, alam ko dati, wala pang hindi ko pa alam kung may Apo na dito. So, gagala ka lang, pupunta ka sa isang mall. Yung instinct ba?
Wow.
Parang,
Walang hand gesture.
wala.
But is
Ninja.
there? Is there like a
Yung
magic?
instinct lang.
Oh.
Parang, yun, nagkakaamuyan ka. Parang
May
pag
kakaamuyan.
parang pag in-approach mo siya, Apo ka.
Galing. Do you feel that same way, AD?
For us, kasi ang dami kong nakakasalamuhang tao eh. So, minsan, the way they talk, and then the way na makipag-usap, ganon, syempre kailangan i-approach mo muna sila ng, yung as like yung may mga, parang maging friendly ka muna. Not really friendly, but parang may rapport, ganon. So, pagka may rapport na kayo, tsaka ako nafe-feel na, feeling ko fratman to. Tapos, same sa work ko. Oo.
May
Oh,
Tapos,
galing.
yes.
May aura.
May something.
Oo,
May
may aura.
aura.
Totoo yun. Totoo yun. Tapos tsaka ako tatanong na, saan fraternity ka? Tapos tsaka kami magkakalamanan. Ganon.
Alam mo, ang galing. Parang it's like a sixth sense almost. Like you know that this is a brother or sister.
yeah.
And
Anong na-feel niyo po
yeah.
sa amin? Na-feel niyo ba?
Tingnan mo, walang lukso ng dugo.
Ako na yung lumulukso.
Pero salamat talaga sa pagsali nyo sa
Thank you
for the
very
first time
much.
to play Jenga with us, Pat, here at Sinag Under the Sun. And before you go, of course, I want to invite you to share yung mga mga future plans for your organization under your presidency.
Ako ulit
Sige,
una.
yes, yes, po.
Ladies first ulit. So yun, sa term ko ngayon, kasi 2 years kami, 2 years ang term ko. So same, tuloy-tuloy ang services namin, etong iftar service, and then yung bloodletting namin. Hopefully, sana maka-join din kayo sa mga bloodletting services namin. Twice a year po kami nagba-bloodletting sa Hamad. And meron din po, nagpupunta rin po kami sa CAUS, yung Qatar Animal Welfare Society. And meron din, nagjo-join din po kami kay Deep Qatar for environmental for a cause. Beach clean up, sand dunes clean up,
Yes.
tree planting, active din po kami dyan, pati po yung sa Polo Oba services po namin. Yun, and
Ayan.
so on. Marami
And
pa.
sir,
Actually ako, ang dami kong panaginip para sa service. So basically, yung APO is more on service talaga. So, nandun service kami. So, to help other people na mas nangangailangan, nandito kami.
And-
Ramdam ng ramdam ng community yan.
I like
yes
that.
po.
I like
And
that.
nandito po kami sa Under the Sun, under Sinag, para din to collaborate with your organizations and mas mapalawak po namin yung mga nare-reach na mga organizations nyo for your activities, for your outreach, and mas maraming mainggan yung sumaya sa mga activities ninyo.
Open arms po kami
Oh,
dyan.
I love
At
it.
actually,
Thank you.
kausap ko na si Sir Mark kanina.
Ayun na
Ah,
pala.
ayan na.
Lagi
Tsaka
na.
gusto ko din masama sa mga beach cleanup.
Yes,
yan.
invite po namin
Oh,
kayo.
sige, thank you, thank
Yes.
you. At
We are there already.
Yes, because nga, we're under the sun.
Yes.
So anything is possible under the sun,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
Alright. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very
Thank you
much
very
po.
much.
Thank you very much
And,
po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dahil dito sa Sinag,
We shine brighter together.
Under the sun, every drop is a shot of inspiration.
Under the sun, gising na gising ang araw nyo.
So follow, like, and share on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.
Because anything is possible
Under the sun.